Welcome to my channel Luxury Car 001. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting at a first look at the all-new 2026 Lexus LBX. Lexus has always been known for combining luxury with reliability, and this time, they're aiming to shake up the compact SUV segment with a bold and modern approach. The 2026 Lexus LBX is not just a downsized Lexus, it's a statement that small can be premium too. Right from the first glance, the design language of the LBX grabs your attention. It's sleek, athletic, and aggressive in all the right ways. The spindle grille has evolved, now more integrated into the body for a cleaner, more futuristic look. Flanked by sharp LED headlights and strong body lines, the LBX carries a distinct urban flair that speaks directly to younger luxury buyers and city drivers. Despite being compact, it doesn't compromise on presence. It looks confident and premium from every angle. Under the hood, the 2026 LBX is expected to come with a hybrid powertrain, combining a 1.5-liter three-cylinder engine with electric assistance. This setup is designed for fuel efficiency and smooth urban driving, and while it's not built for outright performance, it delivers where it matters: a quiet ride, seamless transitions, and low emissions. Lexus is clearly targeting the eco-conscious customer who still values refinement. Inside the cabin, Lexus has stepped up the game. The LBX interior feels like it belongs in a higher category. The materials are top-notch, with soft-touch surfaces, leather upholstery, and ambient lighting giving it refined, upscale atmosphere. The 9.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system features the latest Lexus interface software with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital gauge cluster is fully customizable, and the layout of the dashboard is modern and minimalistic. Space-wise, the LBX is surprisingly roomy for a compact SUV. Lexus has maximized every inch of the cabin to offer decent legroom and cargo space, especially for city dwellers who want something practical yet classy. Rear seat comfort is also impressive, and the quietness inside, thanks to excellent sound insulation, makes it feel like a much larger Lexus. In terms of technology and safety, the LBX comes loaded. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 is standard, bringing adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and much more. This car is designed to give peace of mind in every driving scenario. Overall, the 2026 Lexus LBX is an exciting step forward for Lexus. It's stylish, efficient, smart, and built with the same quality we expect from the brand. It opens up the Lexus experience to a broader audience and proves that luxury doesn't always need to be big. If you're looking for a premium compact SUV that makes a big impression, the LBX is definitely one to watch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think of the new LBX. More luxury car reviews are coming soon, only here on Luxury Car 001.